Just sitting there. Okay, cool. This is obviously an unfinished shot. And the unfortunately very squeaky motor there. Balloon spider. Spider victim. Oh, look at that. The spider. Later on for a scare. One bat up right now. They're working on the quad. Pig head dripping blood. Oh yeah, look at that. Ooh, drip, 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 yeah. Just pecking more eyes out. Here's the neighborhood. Here's the yard. And Bad Brittany. This is the spider victim I have made using the spinning prisoner. And this is just me doing that. Spinning it. I haven't plugged it in just yet. The skull spider up there, and I gotta buy 3 more lights. Oh, this is our wonderful heater. This is fabulous. So this is what we got so far. Can't see too good. There's a bat right there and there, and another light just turned off, and more walls of the cave. Another bat there, and nothing out here. Let's see, we got a scarecrow out here with the crow on his head. Grrr. And I put the skull lights out there, which have yet to be plugged in. See the Jolly Roger there, and the decapitated bride skull, which I can't seem to get to turn right. Following the lights down to the temporary graveyard, and you really can't see much over here, so I'm gonna turn it off now. Okay, bye. Hentai if you dare. Oh my god! Oops. It's supposed to be down, thank you. Alright, there we go. Oh my god. It's not supposed to be there either. Oh. Batty, batty, batty. Probably can't see much because we're in the dark. And there's already silly string everywhere. The rotating prisoner. And then it's the rest of the way out. Out, out! Although I'm probably gonna have somebody standing right there. Oh, what did you do that for? This way to the exit. Get out. Oh my god, we survived! We survived!
Right here for a scare. Availability. They come in, and this part is pretty much dead. So right here, we've got this. Behind here. Stay there, guys.
Yeah, go ahead and
here.
stay right there. There's one person doing this.
There's a person doing that.
There is a cable.
The head's obviously up a little higher though.
Yeah, the head stays up there and drops down on people.
Okay, so then there's a cave dweller back here that's gonna come and scare.
Very big mat.
And then here, I don't know how you get in here, Suze. You tied it up.
Nope. All the way around.
All the way around?
Okay.
No, not that way either.
Like through the
She works the spider.
Like a cross between white-haired werewolf man and Einstein. So how'd you like the haunted house? Did you think it was fun?
This thing sure gives me a headache, though.
Hey, come here. But Megan, you gotta come in the light though, so I can see you.
This thing really gives me
Come closer.
Did you already give me a picture?
I'm videoing.
You're videoing.
Come closer, Megan.
Oh man,
Come
that's a lot of
close. Well,
people's-
I meant like get in the light. So I guess get down with your bad self. Okay.
So what time do you guys want to be home in bed, whatever?
Well, you're out of the light, so I can't see you. You're on top of it, back up like 3 feet.
No one understands.
There you go.
See, you should be playing WoW, Cam. If you played WoW.
No, there we go.
We buy that.
There's apparently light water dripping from the street light. Woo! It's all dark. It's all dark. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's all dark. I still can't see you though. You're too dark. You're too dark too. I can't see you. But wait, you're gonna catch on fire! Oh yeah, heater. We don't want another incident like the first haunted house. Oh gosh.
Yeah, that's a fire to warm.
No, we caught somebody on fire last year. Oh, not last year, but the year
The
before.
first year.
They look really good in the dark.
Can we see Bad Brittany and her?
Shine a light on them, honey.
Oh yeah, I know. On what?
On those
the
dead
corpses?
guy, whatever, so people could see.
These
See 'em
look
there.
cool gloom. It's the tombstones that I would prefer to be lit. Or at least part of the yard over there.
Well, I'm gonna move these lights. Hey, how'd you guys like it? Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
Is it scary?
Who are those people? Do they do like something big?
They used to, but that is so cool. Move around all ghostly.
Okay.
I can only see the glowing parts of you.
Even if you take a picture?
Well, I'm taking video right now.
Oh.
Wow.